we are living a pre-written play. Is there any way to change it? How does free will affect it?
As I mentioned earlier, we wrote the play, but not as human beings, not as the human body. We pre-wrote it, predetermined it, pre-figured out where we are, and then installed it into our astral and physical bodies. We are going by the script. In order for an actor to go by the script, he should feel he is the character. Then he'll go automatically. Otherwise, he has to constantly remember, this is my act, I have to remember how to speak, how to do this. He has to remember. When we go to see a play, there is a street in New York called Broadway, and Broadway plays, you pay $200 for a play. In ordinary streets, you can see a play for $1. They're charging $200 more. What's the difference between the two? The actors on the street are acting their parts so easily we can see, and they can see they are only acting. But those Broadway, they prepare themselves as if they are really characters, and that's how they act. There was a movie made, Gandhi, story of Mahatma Gandhi. It was played, the Gandhi role was played by a British actor. He was interviewed after the movie got good awards, that how did you play Gandhi? He said, before I could allow them to shoot the movie, I held them back for almost 6 months. And every day I began to feel I am Gandhi. When I felt I am Gandhi, I said, shoot now. That means he said, I don't want to remember who I am when I want to act well. That means if you forget who you are and think you are the character, you're best player, best actor. Aren't we the best actors in this movie? We are really best actors. We've forgotten we are actors. We are automatically doing this. The very natural course of creation has set up this for us, that we act and think it is us acting. So it makes it a nice show, the best show. See it from outside, very good acting, very good show. We'll all get awards if you were to get awards for acting. So, is there a way to change it? Of course. If you wrote it, you can change it. Go back to the same place where you wrote it. Go back to the top of the second stage, the Trikuti, where the Akashic records were written, and say, I don't want this one, I picked up another one. Sometimes you're sorry you picked up the second one, but that's a different matter. The point is that you wrote it, you can change it. Supposing you want to change all of them, you can change that too. And you can go still higher and change all the destinies of all the people. And they'll all be changed here. Then you will say, but why did I change? What is wrong with it? It was perfect. Why did I change? Because of one foolish character down on the stage telling me change it? No. I restore all that back. If you get a chance to go back and look at the destiny you created for yourself and say, let me change it, I can guarantee you will not change it. If you look at the creation itself and all the destinies, go to the top, you will not be able to change anything. You will see perfection in what you created. You will see, I couldn't have done any better the way I've placed things. That will be your experience. Sitting as a character, we are saying, yes, can we change it? Of course we can, but not here. You can't change it sitting here. You can change it from different levels.